In When to Work, you can send sign-in instructions to your employees and your additional managers. To send instructions to employees, click Employees in the top menu. In the blue menu bar, click Email Sign-in Instructions when you click the Send Instructions button. Then, sign-in instructions will be sent to every employee who is not yet signed in to When to Work. You'll see a complete list of all the employees who were emailed instructions. Note that these are the employees who have not yet signed in and who have a valid email address entered into the account. You can see who has an email address entered on the Employees List grid. You can click on the pencil icon beside any employee's name to edit their profile. There, you'll see a section called Sign In. Here, there's a link to change their username, to email sign-in instructions, or to reset their password and print out their sign-in instructions. If you click to print, you'll have a hard copy that you can hand the employee in person. This will show their username and temporary password. And when they sign in, they'll have the opportunity to customize their login information. If you need to add an email address, simply click on the email cell for that employee. You can click to Add Email and enter the address and click Save. Then you can check the box next to their name and any other names that you like, and click the Selected Send Sign-In link. This will send sign-in instructions just to those selected employees. As the main manager, you can also add additional managers to your account. If you would like to send sign-in information to managers, go to Settings, Add Edit Managers, and then click on the pencil icon beside any manager name. On the right, you'll see Sign-in Instructions. You can either reset and print those instructions, which resets the password and allows you to print a page that you can then hand to your manager. Or you can click the email link to email instructions directly to their email account. Finally, note that any user can go to the whentowork.com sign-in page and click the link that says Need Username or Password. They can enter their email address and retrieve all of their sign-in information on their own at any time.